Good morning children. Welcome to our math class. This is class 5 mathematics. So in this video we are going to learn chapter 5 money. Okay, the topic money on exercise 1.1. Okay, term 3 chapter 5 money. So first you know that 1 rupee equal to 100 paise. 1 rupee equal to 100 paise. So basic unit of the measurement of money is rupees and paisa. Rupees and paisa, the rupee is the basic unit and the standard unit of the currency. And 1 rupee equal to 100 paisa. So therefore 5 rupees equal to, so 5 multiple with 100, 500 paisa. So basic concept, 1 rupee equal to 500 paisa. 1 rupee equal to 100 paisa. So nowadays we are using some variation currency. That thing you know very well. The first thing is 10 rupee and 20 rupee and 50 rupees and 100 rupees. 500 rupees, 200 rupees and 2000 rupees. So these are the currencies nowadays we are using, and some coins also we are using. That for example, so 1 rupee and 2 rupee, 5 rupees and some 10 rupee coins also we are using. So coins and currency, the two variations we are using. So now in this video we are going to learn exercise 5.1 sums. Okay, come let's start the class. So first exercise 5.1, you see the fill in the blanks. You want to fill in the blank. Okay, you see the first one, 35 rupees and 50 paise. Dot mean 50 paise. Okay, 35 rupees and 50 paise plus 4 rupees and 50 paise. Plus 4 rupees and 50 paise. So 50 paise plus 100 paise. 100 paise equal to 1 rupee. So I converted rupee to the rupee sign. So 5 plus 35 is 40. So totally 40 rupees. Okay, final answer is 40 rupees. So next one. 7,500 plus 3,000. Here no dot. So we will say 7,500 plus 3,000. So 7,000 plus 3,000, 10,000. 10,500. So very simple. Okay, next one. 1,000 rupees minus 230 rupees. 1,000 rupees minus 230 rupees. So what's the answer? 1,000 minus 200? 800. Again 30. So 770 rupees. 770 rupees. Next one. 75 rupees and 50 paise minus 30 rupees and 25 paise. Okay, 75 rupees and 50 paise minus 30 rupees and 25 paise. So 50 paise minus 25 paise, 25 paise. First write that. And 75 rupees minus 30 rupees, 45 rupees. So the final answer, 45 rupees and 25 paise. 45 rupees and 25 paise. Okay. Okay, next one, add the following. Okay, see, 8,987. 8,987 rupees and 75 paise plus 9,565 rupees and 50 paise plus 7,693 rupees plus 50 paise. Okay, clear? So first thing you want to write in the column base separately, rupee side and paisa side. That really help you to calculate easily. So first write rupee side and paisa side. Okay, first check 8,987, 75 paise. Clear? Next one, 9,565 and 50 paise. Next 7,693 and 50 paise. Want to add all the values. So 5, 0 plus 0, know that 5, 7 plus 5, 13, 13, so 7 plus 5, 12, 12 plus 5, 17. Okay, 70. So here 17 means to split the amount 175 rupees equal to 100 plus 75 rupees. So is this 100 paise converted to rupees side. Okay, so 1 rupee carry over to the rupees side. So next thing, 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 3, 16. So 6. Clear? 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 15, 13. 13 plus 3, 16. So 6 and remaining 1. 1 plus 8, 9. So 9 plus 6, 15. 15 plus 9, 24. So 4 and 2. Here 1 and here 2. So 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 5, 16. 16 plus 6, 22. So 2 and remaining 2. 2 plus 8, 0, 10. 10 plus 9, 19. 9 plus 19 plus 7, 26. Clear? Clear, ma? So the final amount, the total value is, so the final answer you want to write separately, 26,246 rupees and 75 paise. Clear? The total value is 26 rupees. See, 26 rupees 246. 26,246 rupees and 75 paise. This is the total value of this amount. So next sum. So next same thing. Add the following. See, 29,763 rupees and 50 paise. Clear? 29,763 rupees and 50 paise. 95,675 rupees and 50 paise plus 4,973 rupees and 50 paise. Clear? So first thing you want to do rupee side and paisa side. Write separately rupee side and paisa side. Then finally you add. First start from the paisa side only. First start from the paisa side. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. You know that again. 100 paisa plus 50 paisa. So this 100 paisa converted to 1 rupee. Okay. So this 1 rupee carry over to here. Next digit. 1. 50 paisa. Clear? Then 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. So 2 remaining 1. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 7, 14. 14 plus 7, 21. So 1 remaining 2. And 2 plus 7, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. 15 plus 9, 15 plus 9, 24. 4 remaining 2. Okay, now 2 plus 9, 11. 11 plus 5, 16. 16 plus 4, 20. So 2. Then 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 9, 13. Okay. Clear? So the final answer right here, 1,30,412 rupees and 50 paise. Clear? So 1,30,412 rupees and 50 paise. final answer. Got it, ma? 1,30,412 rupees and 50 paise. Okay, that's all children. Thank you children. Thank you for listening.